So good morning, everyone. This is a Power BI demo. And there are two demo classes. And today is the first demo. And tomorrow is the second demo. So two demo classes. And the first 15 minutes, I'm going to explain introduction and what we provide. Simply know about your institute, know about trainer. Know your trainer, know your institute and their providings. And second 45 minutes, I'm going to explain complete your work environment and Power BI related information. So what is Power BI? Where do we use Power BI? What are the opportunities available in the Power BI? What are the areas we use Power BI? Such kind of important stuff I'm going to explain. And don't expect any practical in this demo. There are millions of practicals in the YouTube and many places, but not subject, but not proper awareness. That awareness and subject and real-time information I'll give you in this class. Very useful, very informative. And tomorrow, second demo, we'll see one business case explanation and business case practice. Very systematic. So slow and steady, we will go everything. So tomorrow session, first 10 minutes recap, and next 15 minutes, I'm going to practice a business case. So in this business case, you will come to know, okay, how Power BI works end to end. Sir, I want to see the complex scenarios you are explaining, complex things you are taking. I already gone through a couple of YouTube videos or my friend videos. Then go to my YouTube. Our institute YouTube is there. There are only complex scenarios, complex formulas you see to test my technical depth. But you want to learn properly, you want to know everything end to end in detail. Yeah, this is a proper order. Please follow. And Power BI component wise, how long I'm taking, I clearly mentioned here. We'll come back to this once the first demo completed, even second demo completed 2 times. Right, what is the first part? Know your organization, know your institute. Introduction part. This is basically for what? Know your trainer, institute, and providings. In my introduction, my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And morning 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. call time. Even you can discuss with me. You can join in Zoom for questions, queries in these 2 timings. I'm a senior lead consultant. And basics to advanced, very detailed training you will receive from us. And 50 to 60 hours duration. This is a place where I'm getting many questions. Sir, I want to complete in 20 days. I want to complete in 30 days. I'm not taking fast track. I'm not taking fast track. In case you want to complete my classes in fast track way, join in this batch, take previous batch videos for your learning. Advanced learning. Yeah, most of the people do this. 90% people who wants to complete in fast track way, they're joining in one batch. Anyway, 1 month they're able to attend, they're continuing. And taking previous batch videos to rush up quickly. And some people, they're saying initially fast track, but later they're continuing in the normal track 2 days only, 2 months only. Because my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours for practice. So 1 hour with experience, many options I cover. So without experience, and how long it will take for you to learn, definitely more time. Whether you're academic level, excellent student or achiever or working professional, no matter. When you're learning a new tool, a proper learning require always proper options verification, 2 to 3 hours minimum it will take. Your experience make learning simple, but not subject learning. You need to spend your time to know each and every option, where it is, and how it works. Due to lack of knowledge, some people say 15 days sufficient for Power BI. I take only the DAX part in the Power BI 15 days. DAX language part. Then how come you learn Power BI 15 days? So don't listen to that. If you learn 15 days, 1 month training for Power BI, you're not suitable for the organizations to work on. But already you got some knowledge, you have some reporting knowledge. You need to work immediately in a company on a reporting level. That time, yeah, learn for 1 month and continue. So at least something you can do it. But you need to try for an interviews, work happily in the company. No, absolutely you have to take this time. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. And if you are interested, I will take monthly 2 Saturdays, otherwise cancel. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Because 90% students whoever join is working professionals, they need time to practice. So Monday to Friday is sufficient. Even you get enough time. So online, offline class both available. And once you join the class, and you will get practical assistant numbers. You can reach out to the people for your technical questions, doubts, installation, everything. This is training details. 2 months, daily 1 hour for Power BI in detail training, suitable for interview. So maximum subject coverage, interview oriented, and you are preparing for Power BI certification. Yeah, that certification is PL 300, 70 to 80% will be covered. Remaining 20% required dumps, I will provide you the dumps. In worst situation, you can generate your own reports. So you're a technical guy, so non-technical guy, but you just want to develop report. Yeah, you can develop after this training, no doubt in that. So this is the training objective. Fine. Then what we provide, sir? You're saying real-time working environment, people it is suitable, max subject coverage. Yeah, daily live class video I will share. Yeah, 2 years access you will get daily live class. Video material. Eh, Though you are absent for 2 days, 1 week, 10 days, no problem. The video is available, but to 2 years daily uploaded, you can use it. Communication. We respond to your WhatsApp messages, calls, emails, and all sorts of very effective communication. We are close to students always. And we provide material theory, we provide material practical both. And FAQs, mock interviews also conducted. So FAQs provided, mock interviews conducted. And Microsoft Fabric, Azure Data Factory, Power Apps, and these kind of sessions I'm conducting for 4 to 6 hours. And this awareness is helpful for you to join in the IT companies. And SQL sessions I'm taking for 4 hours. Because in the companies, people work on databases. This is a database and require data into Power BI for visualization. And maybe the database Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, it could be any database to bring the data into Power BI and to validate the data, to reconcile the data, and how many records are available here, how many loaded, and what is the total value, and what is the total value in the Power BI. To evaluate it, you require a language called SQL. I take 4 hours, but that is not sufficient. Learn a whole course wherever you want to learn. Even we offer a dedicated course for SQL, 45 days. You can join here also. So learn a whole course and then prioritize 9 topics. Today, I will give you what are the 9 topics you are supposed to learn. And mandatory for learning Power BI plus SQL Server. This is mandatory. And 2 real-time projects I will cover. So this is mandatory for those who want to enter into IT. If you want to enter into IT, then compulsory. And you are a HR manager, you just want to develop your Power BI reports. You're not bothering about IT entering and all. And then learn Power BI only and generate reports. I'll teach you anyway how to bring data from Excel to Power BI, flat file to Power BI, some sources to Power BI. That also is sufficient. But you want to try dedicatedly in IT level, Power BI, SQL Server mandatory. Not SQL Server, SQL knowledge is mandatory. So, and I will give you 2 real-time projects understanding so that you'll come to know, okay, this is a way in real time, step-by-step project implemented. and these are the tasks implemented in so and so period, and these we can implement in simple way, these we implement in complex way. Everything you will come to know in the project sessions. Two project sessions I will cover, two near real-time project, not sessions, two near real-time projects, altogether 6 to 8 hours. And multiple case studies I will cover for better hands-on, and course completion certificate at the end you receive for those completed, and cloud credentials also provided. Cloud credentials also provided. So what is cloud credentials? People learning Power BI because of its cloud flexibility, cloud strength, and you want to practice in the cloud level, yeah, credentials required. I'm going to take 10 hours cloud classes, only Power BI cloud 10 hours. And you want to practice the 10 hours, you require credentials, and I will give you for 2 years. Usually online learning, other organizations learning, you will not get credentials, but we'll give you for 2 years. Cloud itself, I'm covering 10 hours. So YouTube videos and all do not contain cloud concepts, but very, very important. Without cloud, no report sharing, no report accessing. So this is what we provide. And let me show you one by one whether really providing or not. See, take a batch, morning 8 o'clock September batch. See, this is the way you receive everything. See, first demo, second demo, case study 1, case study 2, case study 3, Power Query concepts in detail, DAX functions in must practice, visualization detail, project 1, concept, project 2. So everything you will see that Power Apps, embedding class, Fabric class, resume preparation sessions. So OneDrive with all folders and files you receive. But daily we will upload the videos in this kind of folders. Point number 1. And point number 2, yeah, coming to materials. Good materials I'll give you. Take any material, for example, a DAX session material. This is the DAX session material. Basics, quick measure, copilot. See different types of measures. And if I click on a particular topic, DAX optimization process, and you can see DAX optimization process information. So good theory, practical material you will find. Next, even project documents also, a very clear spoon feeding way project documents I will provide. See interview suitable documents. I'll explain you what is your project title, application title, how long, environment. See what we need to know and what we need to explain in the interview level regarding your project. Project explanation, explain about your project. And questions, how did you perform testing? How many members worked in the project? Tell me some of the calculations you have created. The interview questions, project related questions, and explain the complex tasks, complex examples, complex formulas. So these kind of good documents you will find it. So you are saying uh, many things you are providing. And what about communication and response to the students? So when I'm in the class, I don't respond, but rest all I respond. See, she completed the course, and yesterday she dropped the message. Though it is Sunday, I responded her. So I have faced many struggles in my area of life, including, but you motivated me in this. So could you please verify the resume and refer for the opportunities? I got it here in the resume preparation. Almost all, no message is pending. Every message addressed. So except this last night, maybe I received it late night. And once the class is completed, you receive a message in the group. For example, take Power BI 8 o'clock batch. See the last class video plays for so and so concept dimensions, facts, and a very proper and systematic learning. You get it from this institute. You will come to know what is happening and what exactly happened on a particular day. And FAQ is given for every topic. Every topic you get FAQs. Take this one, older one only. For example, Power BI data warehousing concept or modeling concept. You see FAQs, theory FAQs, practical FAQs. This is what required, guys. A student require proper subject, interview questions, certification questions, etc. Everything I provide, including real-time stuff. Okay, great. Now, what about your organization, sir? How long it is available? So this is 14-year-old institute, 13 to 14-year-old institute. And we have good brand in the market, not a old, we have good brand in the market. Our premises are own premises here, not a rented premises. It is beside Maitrivana metro station, Hyderabad, Amirpet. Hyderabad, Amirpet beside building only, physical location. And we have 3 offices here. Sir, anybody selected from your organization? Yes, there are many people, not one, two, many people. And we haven't updated recently, but you can see there is a testimonials. I'll be sharing this link with you. See this, guys. You can see Kishore got job. So TCS offer Ochin sir, associate consultant. They offered me 45 lakhs per annum. Yep. He's a Power BI senior resource. Power BI senior resource. He started his journey with me 4 years ago. So 5 years ago. Now he's in very good position. Hi sir, I received job offer letter. So this is a fresher opportunity from one company. So fresher only 3 to 6 lakhs in between. Experienced. Companies also approach us. So we have a requirement, need Power BI freshers, 4 members, training complete students required. And they will provide a JD and ask people, any candidate, please let us know for Bangalore office. And this guy got 18 lakhs per annum. And this person got from 4.2 lakhs per annum with 3 years experience, so 150% hike. These are all genuine screenshot, genuine success. I'm not showing any photo, name, etc. because they are working in the company. They face issues. The working people are already aware of it. It comes under criminal layer. They're not supposed to disclose. That's why just I'm showing a friendly chart. So, sir, I got a 12% hike. My performance was really good in the company. Thank you so much, sir. We are very close with the students. We'll guide, we'll support. As we tied up with a couple of companies, the approaches will inform them. This is sufficient. I already shared the link. You can go through. Next part, general FAQs. So providing is very clear. And who is eligible to learn? Any graduate is eligible to learn Power BI. And what type of component is Power BI? It's a low code component, fully graphical user interface component. Any prerequisite to learn Power BI? No prerequisite actually. But if you already have Excel knowledge, SQL knowledge, little advantage, but not compulsory. Anybody can start up. So these are general FAQs. Sir, I don't have 60 hours time. I want to close a little early, but just check with the reception about this. If they have, they will update you. Sir, I don't have that much time. Within a week, I want to close it, 7 days. Then take self-paced videos. Sir, I have 1 month time. Then join normal track only. Take previous batch videos. So this is all about our institute details and what we provide. So know your trainer, know your institute. Successfully completed. Now ask your questions and I will address your questions before I move into actual content. So the current batch is 9 to 10 a.m. 9 to 10 a.m. 7 p.m. batch started 1 week ago. 1 week ago. So again, 45 to 50 days required to start up a new batch. 7 to 8 p.m. Not possible. And 8 p.m. going to start soon by my trainer called Suresh. He is the person taking 8 p.m. batch. But rest all batches. So these two batches are the trainer. I handle 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 9 a.m. Only these five batches I handle.
Sir, can I join like 7 p.m. batch
In
if
case you are
you're
already
okay with
having
that?
Power BI knowledge, you can happily join.
Uh,
No demo classes for that. One week ago started. 5 classes completed.
okay.
Okay. This is my contact number in case you guys want to talk to me. Yeah, please call me after the class so that we can have a nice discussion. I'm giving my contact number.
Okay.
11 to 5 p.m., 8 to 10 p.m. Call timings. Yeah, let me go. So I will start with the very first question. Can AI replace Power BI? So you want to learn Power BI, fine, but this is the first question. Wherever you go, AI. So AI can't replace Power BI. Remember, sir, how can I believe? We'll ask AI only. Please look at that. See, this is Google Copilot, and I'm typing here. It's AI assistant, and I'm typing here. Can AI replace Power BI? Because we need to check. AI cannot fully replace Power BI, but it can complement or even enhance it in significant ways. It will enhance it in significant ways, complement. Why AI won't replace Power BI? The clear answer is available. So be confident. Okay? You want to ask ChatGPT? Even ChatGPT will tell you the same thing. Can AI replace Power BI? AI is more likely to transform Power BI than replace it. It won't. The short answer is no. Second question. What is the position of Power BI in the current market? If I learn Power BI, will I sustain? My friend said, no market to Power BI. Is it true? So Microsoft is a leader for the last 17 years in the data analytics and BI. 17 years. Absolutely, you will have great career ahead. No doubt in that. Sir, how come I believe, sir? Yeah, we'll see Power BI market. So there is one organization who usually rate IT applications, Gartner. They clearly said Microsoft named a leader in 24, even 25 also, and the analytics and BA platforms. Leader. And if you look at this word, so statement, if you are, we are thrilled to announce that for the 17th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader. So if you see in the latest list, Microsoft is the leader, and contemporary component and competitive component to Microsoft is Tableau. Now Power BI competitive component Tableau to Click. So top three reporting or BA tools in the market: Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. Next. So you can feel confident with this statement also. Market is good. Sir, how come it is later, sir? My friends are saying it's not having market, it's just visualization tool. Now I'll explain. Wait, what is Power BI then? So general saying, people say it's a reporting tool. Some people say BA tool. Data analytical people say data analyst tool. And visual, just HR people and all say visualization tool. People saying differently regarding Power BI. But Power BI is beyond that. So first simple definition, powering BI. Adding more power to existing BI. For the existing BI components, more power is added. Simply, it will take data, generate reports, dashboards, scorecards. So this is called input and this is called output. It will take data, generate report, dashboard, or scorecard. Definition to modern definition. It's a versatile application and suitable for visualization in multiple areas. So report development level, business intelligence level, data analysis level, data science level, real-time analytics level, multiple places it is providing support. As people don't know the beauty of this, they say like it's a reporting tool not having market. So everywhere, general report development, business intelligence report development, data analysis, data science, real-time analytics. Now Power BI providing wonderful support, so we call it as versatile application. And technically strong definition Microsoft gave, this one. Technical definition. These two just normal. Now technically, it's a low-code application. So no need to write much code. Self-service application. End-to-end it will do. So it will take data as an input, finally a report, a dashboard or scorecard it will create. And it support on-premises and cloud and generate reports for paginated, non-paginated, analytical, real-time intelligence, followed by dashboards and scorecards. So technical points, low code, self-service, on-premises and cloud, reports, dashboards, scorecards. So tomorrow I will explain detailed about this and also a practice tomorrow on this. Tomorrow. Today, these two I will explain, these two definitions, this and this. So fine, Power BI adding features to existing BI and providing support in all the areas. But whose product is this? It is a Microsoft product. Which year released? 2013 June. And what is the current version running, sir? We don't have versions. We have monthly updates. Every month we have an update. Every month we have an update. So why, sir? What is the reason? That I will tell you later. So these are the multiple definitions. And I will show you these two. We theoretically concentrate. Any questions on this before I go to next part? Jahangir, Anil, Vamshi, Dheeraj, Priya, Praveen, Rachana, Ravindra. No, we good to go. Right. Thank you. And let me continue. So Power BI completed. Now I will go to data. Sharp 10:10 a.m. The session will be closed. Sharp. No delay. Next point. First data. Because this is the input. So what type of input it support? Power BI input. It support any type of storage, any format, any storage area. In IT industry, we have three types of data: structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. Table, Excel, these come under structured storage. Column by column data available. Column 1, column 2, column 3, like this. Even Excel level also the same way we'll keep it. So structured objects. And if you look at this data, so this is having some programming code, or you can say metadata, and this is the data. So this kind of structure and data, metadata, data area is semi-structured, not fully structured like this. So JSON is one kind of file format it will support. XML is another kind of file format. It will support semi-structured. Partly structured, structure sum and data sum. And no structure at all, that is unstructured. Your social media messages, WhatsApp messages, Twitter messages, documents, email, no structure we follow. So they come under unstructured. So knowingly or unknowingly, we all working with structured, semi-structured, unstructured data. This all Power BI support. Input, it could be input. But this data company is keeping in files or databases. Either structured, semi-structured, unstructured. Maybe in the form of CSV file or Excel file or JSON file or XML file. And I will show you all this practical in Power BI, don't worry. In our regular class level, all I use and show because companies will also asking. Second, databases. People store database like Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, DB to MySQL, and I'll show you this practically in the classroom. And this information, again, they are keeping in two areas. One is on-premise. On-premise indicate within the device, within the server, within the organization storage. Cloud, somebody else's storage. Maybe Microsoft cloud or Amazon cloud or Workday cloud. It could be any cloud. And I'll show you on-premises sources usage and cloud sources usage in the classroom. So this is called any type, any format, any storage data. And Power BI is good in the market, capture the market interest with this only. Any type of storage, any formatted data. Questions, please? What is the difference between on-premise and cloud? Able to understand? This is within the storage, within the organization storage, somebody else's storage. Right. Output. So data is fine. Now what about output? So the data is the input. Output is report on dashboard or scorecard. And you all guys, after learning Power BI, you develop either report or dashboard or scorecard. This is your target. This is your objective. Working on any type of data, formatted data, anywhere data, generating report or dashboard or scorecard. Then what is report? So this is one example about report. Visuals available. These are all called visuals. You have data, and here you will see detailed data. What type of data? Detailed data. And one operation data you see. Detailed data and one operation data. So usually companies maintain reports, multiple types. And in my last company, I was able to see 300 plus reports. For each operation, one report. Take an example, savings account operation, withdraw process, one report, deposit process, one report, loan processing, one report, like this, multiple reports. So 300 plus we created in this company, by financial company. But the same company having dashboards, 12 dashboards only. And basically dashboard for high level presentation. So this is high level. What is the total business? How many customers? What is the average value? This is for high level data. High level data. And subject area data. Some people say data mart area data. Data mart, a part of data warehouse. So the same thing, if you see savings account individually detailed available, okay, but you want to show single area, savings account information. So deposit data, withdraw data, loan processing data, if you take in a single area, that is called dashboard. So once you join in the company, either detailed data you may present or high level data you may present. Third one, sometimes only scorecards required, like so-and-so manager one out of 1,000 sales, 500 sales only made. So average status and behind the target. Manager 2, 1,100 made it out of 1,000, but he crossed the target and very good with the progress. So this kind of information I want to show. not like detailed, not like high level, and just statistics you want to show, metrics you want to show. Then we go scorecard. So Power BI is providing decision-making support, analytical support to the companies with the help of reports, dashboards, and scorecards. So whichever is suitable for the organization, you have to create as part of organizational growth and their analysis. Got clarity? That's the reason people say visualization tool, because visuals providing, data analysis providing, so data analysis tool. So business intelligence data providing, so business intelligence tool. So Power BI called as differently because different people using in various ways. Input and output clear? Any question from anyone? All right. So coming to reporting, just I'm explaining reporting. In IT level, there are two types of reporting. Very old reporting, page-related reporting, legacy, traditional, regular reporting. Here data is divided into multiple pages and each page is printable. Like this, sir, old report. So here we have 10 rows or 10 records, you can say. So when you click on this, next 10 rows. When you click on it, next 10 rows. This is called page-related reporting, old reporting. Power BI support. And second one, advanced reporting, like this. Visual, 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 visual. Data not divided. When you click on 18 data showing everywhere. When you click on this area, that area data it will show. So this is advanced reporting. We call it as a non-page related reporting. So Power BI providing support for the legacy as well as modern. So these are the two types. The two types Power BI providing support. This is a lucky part. And nowadays, 90% organizations asking paginated. And the people who learn from their friends and YouTube and other channels, they never come to know what is paginated. But 90% opportunities having paginated requirement. Just Google it or go to Naukri, LinkedIn, see the job descriptions of Power BI, you clearly see that. These are two top types of reports. Now, come to this, guys. Please see one generic picture. One more thing. IT level, there are two major applications. So data input, output, okay. But IT applications, I will tell you. One is OLTP application, online transaction processing, simply business data processing application. Second one, online analytical processing application, simply data analysis application. So if you go to any company, majorly required business processing analysis. Take an example, IRCTC, Make My Trip, ATM Cash Withdrawal, these all come under OLTP applications. Because at the end of your operation, you see a message, transaction success or transaction failure. Take an example, general public, they are using web application, desktop application, mobile application, different applications, and they are trying to book a train ticket, so they fill the form. So general public fill the form in any way, web, mobile, desktop. If the train ticket booked, transaction success. Train ticket not booked, transaction failed. If it is successful, the information is available here. PNR number, train number, ticket, start date, arrival date, location, and location, etc. So this is called as transactional storage because success and failure only storing. This is called transactional application and altogether transactional process, OLTP process. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are all using this. Transaction processing application, transaction storage, and transactional process. And this data management want to understand which area we can increase trains, which area we can decrease trains, why so and so area having more demand of trains. If they want like this, see this picture. So this area more trains, this location less trains, this location second highest. Or location wise, how many trains having booking, and what are the areas trains having booking, geographical. This kind of presentation comes under decision making data, data analytical data, business intelligence data. But how do you convert this data into this? Directly not possible. Remember, directly not possible. We have to apply a process called data engineering process first, and then business intelligence process, all together data analytical process. Then only it shows like this. So the transactional data or business data pass through engineering and BA process so that this information will be presented. That information only management team use as part of decision making. Again, common mobile, desktop, web, all the ways they use it, they analyze it. And this area is called as report or dashboard or scorecard area. Report or dashboard or scorecard area. Clear? So concluding, general public use forms, but management team use report, dashboard, scorecards. So here, day-to-day transactions we operate, and these people see report, dashboard, scorecard information like this. So the reports which you are preparing, the scorecards which you are preparing suitable for the management decisions. So you're not helping the company to run the business. You are helping the company in the organizational growth, proper decision making, proper solvency. So right. So this picture little confusing, and if you are new to IT, don't feel panic. Just go through this 1 or 2 times. After finishing the class, I will give the video and material sufficient. And 100% you need to have knowledge on this. In regular class also, I will explain 2 or 3 times. You understand betterly. Once again, the people who are entering into IT, non-IT people, non-technical people, don't feel panic with today's class. Daily we see this kind of technology in the regular class. You feel happy after 3 4 days. I'm sure about it. The people who ever initially said that I'm feeling little difficulty with the technology, later they said nothing is there, sir, compared to my academic classes. Only one thing, practice and listening. That's it. Right. This is general public. Very beautiful part I'm explaining. Concentrate. General public, web, mobile, desktop applications, they use it. The transactional data companies keep in the file or database. This process, you're booking through, you're performing phone pay operation, GPay operation, Google Pay. The data stored in a database. Fine, sir. Next, management team use this data in a report, dashboard, etc. format for analysis. So this also But what about in-between process, this to this? The in-between process, some people say data engineering process. Some people say business intelligence process. 90s the process given. The word very popular recently, but 90s the process given. Minimum 4 layers required to provide data betterly to the management. First layer, ETL layer. This is the first layer. So bring the data. If required some shaping, do the transformation, finally load into huge storage. This second area. Data huge storage area. Here years and years data we will keep. Historical data we will keep it. Terabytes to petabytes of data we will keep. Last 10 years data, last 20 years data we'll keep it. So take this data, shape it, and load into huge storage. But we don't use last 10 years data always for analysis. We take savings account data for analysis, last 1 year data for analysis. In the situation, take specific data, apply your aggregate analytical information. And this kind of layer is called semantic layer, meaningful data, aggregate analytical data presentation area. So here GBs of data generally we keep gigabytes, less data only. From this reporting, dashboarding happen and management team will see that. So this is data engineering process. One data ETL process, one warehousing process, Q process. 90s, if people want to do 90s, they need to purchase one ETL tool, one storage like Teradata, Oracle, DB2 storage, one analytical tool, one reporting tool required. In 90s, if people want to do this end-to-end process, multiple tools required. I'm writing here, multiple tools. Multiple resources they need to recruit, multiple setups they have to maintain in 90s. Very complex and costly. One company gave a beautiful solution. Why people struggling with this? And just take Microsoft BI, and they gave in 2005. Purely on premises. On premises means you need to take the software, install in your company, and use it. So this MSBA is the first bright solution superb solution in the market with three tools majorly. Total six available, total six, but three are major. So the first tool is SSIS, SQL Server Integration Service for ETL, SQL Server Analysis Services for Analytical, SQL Server Reporting Services for this. So this is the first BA from the Microsoft. This is the first BA, not Power BA. And wonderful, guys. And this component only brought leadership to Power BI for Microsoft. 10 minutes ago, I showed Microsoft leadership. That is because of MSBA only. It brought the leadership to Power BI continuing it. The legacy it is continuing. Very strong. Even you learn MSBA now, you will get the opportunities, but not a very heavy because people move to cloud, but you will get the opportunities. Its market is very strong. And the only one unlucky part here, it is good and proved well, but companies started using cloud. Even Microsoft decided, why don't we move to cloud? So they have their own cloud called Azure. And the Azure level also, they gave this process. ETL, Azure Data Factory is a ETL used here. Azure Analysis Services used here. Reporting not available. Cloud level, no reporting. So people again going for Azure Cloud with SSRS or Azure Cloud with Tableau, the second competitor for Power BI, or Azure plus ClickView. So Microsoft decided, firstly, we will give a beautiful component with cloud reporting. That is Power BI. In 2013, Power BI we got. 2005, 2010, 2013. Power BI. It is a single application, the most important one. Only one application, not like multiple services, not like multiple tools. Single application with multiple components or multiple concepts. First concept is Power Query. Power BI, Power Query. This is for ETL. Power Pivot for storage. For Power View and Map for mapping and reporting operations. So whatever you do in this area, 60% you can do. Whatever you do in this area, 60 to 70% you can do. But reporting, 200% you can perform better than this reporting. So Power BI is good in the market because of this end-to-end operation in a single area. That's why this is called self-service BA application. It can bring the data, perform all the operations, and give the solution in a single application level. No need to go like Azure, multiple services, for MSBA, multiple tools, single application. Beautiful, right? That's the reason people using Azure for data exclusive operations, exclusive data engineering, exclusive analysis, reporting Power BI, reporting. And you don't believe, guys, 2019 to 2024, companies used Azure plus Power BI a lot because Azure is a cloud, Power BI for analytical process. This is engineering process and analytical process. So Microsoft noticed why people going for Azure and Power BI, two different clouds with two different accounts, two different clouds. Azure connected with one cloud portal, Power BI connected with one cloud portal, two different. So Microsoft decided to reduce it. So that concept is Fabric. Fabric is a single cloud platform. The data factory used in this area. So the same Azure data factory they added here. And no Power BI used in this area. Notebook Lakehouse in this area. Notebook Lakehouse in this area. So Fabric is an all-in-one cloud solution. So for data gathering, data analysis, data science operations, all operations possible. Single cloud platform. Simply Azure plus Power BI, they given in a single cloud. This is Azure has its own cloud, Power BI has its own cloud instead of that single area. So if you learn Power BI strongly, whatever I'm explaining, anyway, you are fit for the Power BI opportunities. Power BI plus Azure opportunity, Power BI plus MSBA combination opportunity, plus Power BI plus Fabric opportunity. Anywhere you are suitable. So two things you need to know. Microsoft hierarchy. So MSBA, Azure BI, Power BI, Fabric. This is a hierarchy in the business intelligence or analysis. Analysis hierarchy. And you learn Power BI strongly from me. So that Power BI developer, Power BI plus Azure, Power BI plus MSBA, Power BI plus Fabric, you can work. But you want to work as a Fabric developer, remaining components knowledge is required. This is all about this is all about uh, different types of BA components. Next, last one. See, guys. So one more thing important I will show you. Sharply 10:10 I will close. General customers, different applications, input data, your data stored, and Power BI used in this area for reporting. So some people directly in this area also they are using Power BI. And some people doing data engineering process and then they're using Power BI. So these people are called report developer or BA developer. They work on general reporting, past analysis, and current data understanding. So mostly these two areas, general reporting, current understanding, past analysis, we use Power BI. Though you're working with multiple tools and technologies, Power BI required here. That's the reason people require Power BI and SQL for these operations. Remember, data engineering plus Power BI. There, Power BI plus SQL is required sufficient. You can enter into this as a Power BI resource. Some companies, data analyst. So they are taking they're taking this data, and providing deeper analysis with patterns. So here just normal past analysis, here deeper analysis possible. The difference between data analyst and general report developer is data analyst will do deeper analysis of data. Next, data scientist. He will understand the current, he will analyze the past and future predictions also do. Future predictions. For that models created. So for these models, different other tools also we need to learn. Is this clear? Right. So you are providing support for a dental reporting, data engineering reporting, data analyst reporting, data scientist reporting. That's why Power BI has more opportunities in the market. Right. Last but one screen, please look into Power BI is a visualization component used everywhere. Report development with, and you need knowledge Power BI plus SQL. Data analyst, Power BI, SQL plus Excel and Python. And BA developer, Power BI plus SQL. And data scientist, Power BI plus remaining components. And Fabric. So Power BI also used here. And non-technical resources, they are also using Power BI for the reporting. And data citizens also using Power BI for the reporting. So there are different areas Power BI participating in the market. So for these people, one kind of solution, these people, one kind of, these people, one kind of. So deeper analysis presentation, predictive and deeper analysis presentation, general reporting, page related, non-page reporting, fabric level data engineering, data analysis we do, and while presentation, Power BI we use it different ways. That's why opportunities also accordingly. Last screen. So Power BI opportunities. Power BI fresher you can try 0 to 1 year. Yeah, last to last month, 6 people selected as freshers from this organization. And experience opportunities also we get more and more here. And Power BI plus report or Power BI or report development less than 5 years. You can try. And this is the one 90% opportunities. Power BI plus SQL combination. And Power BI support resource you can try. Admin resource and MSBA people using ISAS reporting Power BI because SSRS migration they are doing. Tableau ClickView legacy reporting to Power BI, the number one BM migration. So there we have opportunity for this. Azure plus Power BI. Yes, we have opportunity. Fabric Lakehouse plus Power BI. Very hot. Synapse or Databricks plus Power BI. Simply these are data engineering components plus Power BI. Or alone Power BI. 90% is these opportunities. And my course 90% supported to admin, 10% not supported. Support 100% supported. No problem. And these are less than 5 years. Sir, I want to keep above 5 years in Power BI. Yeah, modeler role, designer role, specialist role, architect role, these are all available. But one or two projects end-to-end knowledge is required to try for this. By learning, you cannot go. One or two projects end-to-end knowledge is required. And data scientist fresher, you can try. Data scientist experience, you can try. And data analyst fresher, data analyst experienced. So data scientist, fresher experience, data analyst, fresher experience. And you are a Power Platform developer like Power Apps, Power Automate, already you learned or you're working on. Then learn Power BI and try full-fledged Power Platform developer. So Power BI not providing opportunity in only one area and one way, multiple area, multiple way. That's why more market for Power BI. Got clarity? So even if you go to the first definition of Power BI, it's adding more power to existing BI. And you got clear understanding what is data and how do we generate this and what type of features added in Power BI clearly explained. And also I said a versatile application used in multiple areas. Yes, a general report development, BA, data analysis, data science, everything. And also one more thing I explained, self-service application and page-related non-page support application. But this you need more clarity. It comes up with practice and the practice tomorrow. And today I explain what Power BI gets, what it generates, and what are the areas we use, opportunities. And these are all clearly explained. Data engineering process, analytical process, Power BI usage area. Components not covered due to lack of time. Tomorrow I will start this. So this is what I covered today. First introduction part, know your institute, know your trainer, and then Power BI usage area, market opportunity, etc. And tomorrow, first 10 minutes recap, next 15 minutes a practice. And you already have Power BI knowledge, then you can see each component duration. Power BI architecture for 2 hours, concept one, data extraction for 2 hours, and Power Query concept for 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours, Power Pivot and DAX for 14 hours, visualization for 10 hours, cloud for 10 hours, and two projects for 8 hours, case study for 6 hours, SQL Server classes only 4 hours, and additional session only on the weekend, 6 hours, 4 to 6 hours only in the weekends. Saturday, weekend Saturday. So in detail content and this document you receive, just go through what I cover. Sir, will you give detailed content? Yes, I will share with you, share it with you, the detailed content in the PDF document. Please look into. If I open it, you will not understand anything. The detailed one, who are all already having knowledge, interested to know more, just go through the PDF. But this is the high level. I'm successfully done with the demo, what I planned today. Knowing your institute and information, Power BI definition, data engineering, data analysis, data science differences, usage area, opportunities. And who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the poll level. Who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. So the demo video, demo documents you will receive. quickly. And the people who want to ask questions, kindly ask.